So today's onion update. I've been working on the bonnet in there, but my mate Atric here, he's been building me this gadget that we've decided to make so we can put our doors on them, hang our doors up on it, so we can put the primer and all that on, and I can paint the doors on them to simulate being on the car. There's young Caleb there, Atric's son. Atric's hiding in here because he doesn't like being on videos or anything. But anyway, I ran out of gas. Went to do one weld, and as you can see, I'll try to fix it up a little bit with my arc, but yeah, oh, what's going on? I've run out of gas, so I've brought out my old trusty smooth arc. And my God, what in darnation's going on here? But I've managed to do these absolutely awesome filth welds. Wow, like, you know, look at this stuff. I don't normally weld like, anyone that knows my welding, I don't weld like that, so I don't know what's happened. Oh, here we go, we're getting doors put on. This is how it's going to be. And doors go on, and yeah. So then I can work on either side of the doors. All four can go on. They can be primed and painted, etc. on our whiz bang doodad door holder machine, and the end bits here we can just, you know, hang hinges and stuff off. Yep, that'll work.